Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a search bar on SiteGround sites. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan of web hosting, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, login and inside your WordPress admin panel, head over the appearance widgets page. So just tap on it and you'll see the search block appear. Simply drag and drop it to where you want it to appear. You can add it to your sidebar or footer like this. So add search bar, pick it. So you can add a new block using the plus icon. Now look for the search bar block and add it to you. And how to create a customized search bar. So the first thing you'll need to do is install and activate the search WordPress plugin on your site. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.